What I want to be doing is playing with my EV. Instead, as seems to keep happening at the moment, I have to fix something else. In this case, my wife's car again, already the family car. Last time I had to fix something on this, which is a Renault Grand Scenic 3, I think. It's a 2010 model. It was the windscreen wipers. They'd gone, probably because of water ingress and pooling, sort of in that sort of front tray in front of the dashboard, where water gets in, which can cause an e-brake problem. In this case, though, the e-brake problem is a completely different one, and I'll try to show you now. You got your pedals, and you got your e-brake. You notice this has got a bright red light, which I think it's normally orange. It's red because the sensor, I think, yeah, on the clutch, which normally disengages it, has snapped. It has broken. This happened while my wife was out the other day. She called me because she said the e-brake was behaving strangely. Called out the recovery truck. I won't say which company it was. He didn't do any looking around here. He just plugged in his diagnostics and said it's all fine. And when I came to it, half the sensor arm was just on the floor in the footwell. Yes, our car is not very clean. Unfortunately, getting to this thing is an absolute ball ache. So I shall be getting a mat out on the floor and crawling around in the footwell for a while. Fortunately, I do have the spare part. This is just an eBay special. I don't know what quality this is, but that's what you need. Clutch potentiometer for Renault. Now, this is not the most flattering pose, but it's the best position I've found for doing this. Flip you around and you can see where this thing is. Oh no, it is in focus, but that's the clippy thing. There's a little, I don't know if you can see this here, that's the thing you have to press in. This is way out of focus, isn't it? The little thing you have to press in there to get the cable out. There we go. The new one is in. Don't forget to put it over the pin. In order to insert it, it goes in like this. You put the connector on first, slot this pin into the slot, and then this lever here starts off in this position, and once this side's in and it's flat, push that in and twist it to lock into that little receiver there. You can see past my fat fingers, it locks in there, and that's now secure, and we should have no more faults. So that all done. This light's still red. I have just gone back and forward a little bit just to check it works, but just to demonstrate, hit start stop, lights go off on the dash. There was no spanner light, by the way. I wasn't getting any errors, lights, and nothing came up on the diagnostics for the recovery truck either, so I guess it didn't think there was an error. It was still connected to the sensor, it was just mechanically broken. But yeah, car releases, handbrake comes off, put it on as I go forward, handbrake releases, all sorted. So that's that, very simple job. Now I can get back to the EV.